In today's video, I'm going to share a complete solution for all the common issues you might face with Google Chrome. If your Chrome browser isn't working properly, make sure to watch this video until the end, because it might just fix your problem. Sometimes, old or corrupted cache files can prevent websites from loading properly. Open your browser and go to chrome:/settings/clearBrowserData. Set the time range to all time. Check cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. Then click on Clear Data. Step 2. Disable extensions. A browser extension may be interfering with how Chrome functions. Go to chrome:/extensions. Disable all the extensions, restart Chrome, and test if it's working. If it works, enable each extension one by one to identify the problem. Step 3. Check proxy or VPN settings. Incorrect proxy settings can block your internet access. Go to chrome:/settings. Scroll down and click on System. Then click Open your computer's proxy settings. Make sure that no unwanted proxy is enabled, unless you're intentionally using one. Step 4. Reset Chrome settings. Resetting can help fix strange or persistent issues. Go to chrome:/settings reset. Click on Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. Step 5. Try Chrome Beta or Canary. You can install Chrome Beta or Chrome Canary. These versions often come with newer updates that might solve your problem. Check for malware. Malware can interfere with your browser's performance. Run a full scan using Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. Check for conflicting software. In the address bar, type chrome:/conflicts/